In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a message to a Dripify sequence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to choose the right message type, and how to time it so it fits smoothly into your existing flow. First, log into Dripify and open the campaign you want to update. If you manage multiple campaigns, make sure you're in the right one before making changes so your edits land where you expect. Once you're inside the campaign workspace, head to the Sequence tab. This is where all your automated actions live, step by step, so you can see the full journey your prospects will go through. Now decide where you want the new message to go. You can add it at the beginning to kick things off, place it between two existing actions to fill a gap, or append it to the end to continue the conversation. Move your cursor to the spot where you want it inserted and hover right near the boundary between steps. A small plus icon should appear. Click that plus to add a new action at that exact point in the sequence. From the action list that pops up, choose Message. Depending on your setup, you might see Send Message, InMail, or Email. Pick the one that matches how you want to contact your prospects. This choice determines the channel your message will use, so select the type that aligns with your campaign strategy. Next, write your message. Keep it clear and value-focused, and personalize it using the variables Dripify provides, such as first name. Personalization helps your outreach feel natural and increases response rates. Double-check spelling and tone, and make sure the message matches the stage of the sequence where you're inserting it. Early touches can be lighter and more introductory, while later messages can reference prior actions or conversations. Set a delay if you need one. This tells Dripify how long to wait after the previous action before sending your new message. For example, you might wait a couple of days to give prospects room to respond before you follow up. Choose a delay that fits your cadence and respects your audience's inbox. When you're happy with the content, timing, and placement, save the updated sequence settings. Your changes will be applied to the campaign. If the campaign is already live, don't worry. Dripify allows you to edit sequences and add new actions. Your new message step will take effect according to the timing you set, keeping your automation running smoothly. That's it. Your message is now part of your Dripify sequence and ready to work for you.